Hey everybody, it's Neil and this is a Gatnetly. It's a 2-pack, that's a latch handle. So I'll show you guys what it is here. So got a little handle piece here, and you have these things here. What these are, if you've ever seen some of these things before, is if you have your little clip here, you guys can't see it there. And if somebody's in your car and they have a hard time getting out of it and stuff like that, you have this. Let me see if I can take this off. And it kind of gives you a little ability to stick this in here, and so somebody can get a little hand pull to pull themselves up. So it kind of gives you the ability to do that. Or if you need to climb on top of the roof of the car, you can use it to stand on like this. So I can get up on here, and then I can stand on it here, and so I can get up onto the roof. So it just kind of gives you ability to use it for that. It also has a little point thing on it, so you can use it to break a window. This here will help cut the seatbelt if you need to. So it's a nice little emergency little apparatus to have as well. So kind of cool little device. So I'll use this like when I clean my car and I need to be washing the roof and stuff, so I can stand on it. And it's like it comes with 2 of those. And also in here, we have, let's see what this is. I'm not sure what this part is. Oh, a handle strap. Just a handle strap. I'm not sure what this is going to be to use for, but it is comfortable. So I guess you can use it for holding things or whatever you need. So kind of cool. But I totally bought it for these. So these will do what I need it to do. So thumbs up.